Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. It is Sunday and this is a chill Sunday for us. It's our normal Sunday, but this is not a normal part of my day. Normally I am at home at 5:30 in the morning drinking coffee, but y'all, yesterday I never made it to Sam's where I like to get my coffee, so I had to run up the street and get me some coffee. It is just a rough thing to start my morning without coffee. And you're probably like, girl, where is your kid at 5:30 in the morning? Y'all, he dipped out on me at the dinner party last night, the birthday party, and my mom swooped him up and took him. And so I was by myself this morning, so I was able to run and get coffee. If not, I would have suffered. But I just got my cup of coffee and started on my work. My assignment was due at midnight this day, so I wanted to hurry up and get it done so I could have the rest of the day to myself. And then I went to church, and after church, I went to Sam's to grab coffee because we could not have another morning like that. And of course, I got some other stuff besides coffee, but coffee was the main thing. So Sundays after church, my son normally goes with his godfather. So since I have that time to myself, I try to get everything done I need to do: cleaning, cooking, washing, anything. So I spent my Sunday afternoon just kind of getting our lives together, getting the house together, and prepping for the week. And that's what I normally do on Sunday, even when I have him, but it's faster without him. So then I start on dinner. This night I was doing chicken pot pie. I love making chicken pot pie when it gets cold. I normally try to put it in a pie crust and bake it like the stores, but I wasn't trying to do all that tonight. I just needed to get it made. So yeah, you have your chicken, your celery, your onions. Yes, it's pre-cut. Who has time to cut? Vegetables, chicken stock, cream of chicken, and I just put all of that in the crock pot and put some seasonings in there, paprika, etc. And then I season my chicken and I just put it in there and just cover it up completely. But yeah, I just put it on high and let that cook. And then I start on my next project. So I was about to start on project number 2, which was folding clothes and getting our clothes ready for the week. But I had to go get Cole, so I took a break, went and got him. And when we got home, he was super excited to see the tree because he hadn't seen it yet. So I lit it up so he could see it and enjoy it. And then he took off and went to play. And so I decided to get his bath ready, and I made it too hot and he wasn't ready to get in, so I skipped over to chopping up the chicken and getting that part ready. So I just kind of shredded up and added to it, and I also added the peas and carrots as you saw. And then we just got the biscuits ready and put those in the oven. And then while that was cooking, we went ahead and gave Cole his bath, and then I started on our clothes for the week. As you can see, it just never stops. There's constantly something to do. He wanted juice and I needed to take my vitamins, so that was a good reminder to stop and take my vitamins for the night. And then I just went ahead and made me a bowl of something to eat so that we could wind down. Hey guys, so we are about to wrap up our night. So I wanted to quickly come on and tell you thank you I know, for chilling with us for Vlogmas Day 3. Want the bread? Here, bite. Really? I decided to come sit down and talk to y'all while I ate my dinner. Cole ate before he got home, but every time I sit down, he always says he's hungry still, and so I put more in my bowl so he could eat it, and now he's not even eating it, so whatever, more for me. But we're gonna unwind with a Christmas movie. But our day was kind of not the norm because there was so much to do that I typically would not be doing on a Sunday, and it was literally too much to film. Like, I'm not even done preparing us for the week. I wasn't able to vlog as much as I wanted to because I was trying to get stuff done and get him taken care of. So I looked at the footage and I looked at the time and I was like, dang, the night is almost over and I did not get a lot of footage for Vlogmas Day 3, but I'm actually having fun doing this and like trying to stay on top of schedules and timing, I'm trying to make sure I have a vlog up every day before 8:30, and it's not happening, mostly because of the uploading time. It takes a while to upload. You want a bite? You tell them bye already? Are you gonna watch your Christmas movie? No, he's not. I put a Christmas movie on the other day and he wouldn't watch it. Any movies in general, he won't sit still and watch. We're working on it. But yeah. Anyways, what I was gonna say was, I got sidetracked. We're gonna end our night here, mostly because I still have like 2 more hours of my night to go before I officially unwind, because I feed him, I sit down and eat, and I don't eat with him because I'm trying to clean while he's sitting in his high chair eating. And when I sit down here, that's when he'll eat again. So that's when I know he gets like good and full. And while I work, if I have like classwork or anything to do, he'll sit here with his iPad and he'll fall asleep. I can't put him in the bed to have him fall asleep because I have to lay there with him, and I don't like getting in the bed with my makeup, and you know, I haven't showered yet, and I can't really do all of that with him because he'll be everywhere. I like to be alone to do that. So we finish our night on the couch and I let him fall asleep here, and then I just transfer him later, and then when he falls asleep, that's when I completely unwind and do the things that I need to do for me, you know, shower, take off my makeup, pack my lunch, prep my coffee for the next day. I can't do any of that with him, so that's why we end our night here. This is his spot. He knows when he comes here, it's time to wind down, and then I let him fall asleep, and then I go and do what I need to do, just because he, as you can see, is everywhere all the time, and this is like the time where he can finally chill and like unwind. You don't want any more?
Bye.
Cole says bye, so I guess we're done for the evening. We'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas day 4. I can't believe we're already on day 4. Goodness gracious. But yeah, Vlogmas day 4.